Hi friends, now I'm going to tell you about the concept of index and match. So actually it is an alternative of lookup function, that is VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and also XLOOKUP. So in this we will be going to discuss about index and match with the help of example. Okay, so here I want to retrieve the information of product T, that is a region of product T and also units sold by product T, okay, using index and match. So let me write down the syntax, that is equals to index, and it is asking about the array. So in this we have to select the entire table, and then it is asking for row number. So in this case we will be using the function called match here, that is match. So now in the match function it is asking about lookup value. So here I want to retrieve the information of product T. So my lookup value is all about product T. So and next it is asking for lookup array. So in this I'm selecting the entire column of product name, okay, and next it is asking for match mode. So in this case I am uh, using the exact match, that is equals to 0, okay. I'm closing the brackets, and then it is asking for column number now. So here I want to retrieve the information of product T for the region and also units sold. So here you can see the region is in second column and the units sold is in fourth column. So in this I will be selecting the column 2 and 4. So yeah, so now you will be seeing the output. So see the output, the region of product E is north and the units sold by product E is 55. So uh, yeah, this is all about index and match, and thank you.